and stop the machine immediately if there is any confusion. When the pan is almost finished, the tail should be taken out of the pan frame. Remember to turn off the switch and cut off the power afterward. The reduction of plastic bags and other plastic products has become a new environmental action. Although the plastic price limit order has been issued for a long time, there is still a large amount of plastic used and discarded, which will bring a lot of environmental pollution, not only polluting the environment, but also affecting the atmospheric environment. Then, the plastic shredder can effectively solve the problem of plastic waste pollution. The plastic shredder can shred plastic for secondary recycling. The equipment can shred various materials such as waste plastic, beverage bottles, garbage, tree branches, and discarded furniture, thus alleviating the pollution situation in the urban area. In recent years, plastic shredder equipment has become a new type of environmental protection equipment suitable for the urban environment and everyone's health. Plastic shredders will continue to be improved to make them more suitable for working around cities. The recycling of waste plastics not only needs to increase people's environmental awareness, but also needs to suppress the source of waste plastics, save the use of plastic products, and consciously classify them in order to reduce the workload of recycling and establish the production and circulation of plastics. Nowadays, the most commonly used is the multifunctional shredder, which is not only stable in performance, but also high in production, energy saving, and low in price. How does it work? As a professional shredder manufacturer, let us analyze its working principle. The multi-function shredder is also called coarse breaking, which uses cutting, tearing, and squeezing between knives. The principle processes metal materials and is used for the crushing of various solid wastes. It is often used in environmental protection fields such as municipal solid waste disposal, bulky waste crushing and volume reduction, resource reuse, waste incineration pretreatment, and landfill. The equipment is designed with low speed and large torque, and has the characteristics of large crushing force, high output, low noise, and good stability. Scope of application: widely used in cans, paint buckets, iron filings, car shells, waste home appliance shells, plastic shells, metal shells, large pipes, pipe fittings, forklift pallets, tires, automobile shells, packaging barrels, aluminum, copper, and thickness iron less than 5 mm. Waste circuit boards, waste cables, and other large volume waste. More and more people and manufacturers have also discovered this business opportunity and invested in manufacturing. More and more mixed models are flooding the market, and competition is becoming more intense, which promotes the rapid development of shredders. It is also an inevitable trend brought about by fierce competition. In the fierce competition in the shredder market, various manufacturers will use their best efforts and tricks to attract users. With the rapid development of China's social economy, the acceleration of urbanization, and the rapid improvement of people's living standards, the amount of garbage generated in the process of urban production and life has also increased rapidly. Domestic garbage occupies soil, pollutes the environment, and is harmful to people's health. The impact of the company has become more and more obvious. Everyone no longer sacrifices the environment at the expense of the environment. People are paying more and more attention to the protection of the environment. With the introduction of a series of environmental protection policies, more and more discerning investors begin to focus on live garbage, because in people's daily life, garbage can be seen everywhere. In the past, many garbage was treated by incineration. Plastic shredder equipment solves the problem of plastic flooding. It can quickly process the plastic into pellets to facilitate the reuse and recycling of the plastic. Applicable application areas: plastic film, plastic bags, woven bags, mineral water bottles, PET bottles, oil bottles, gasoline bottles, plastic barrels, plastic products, scraps, etc. Wancheng Plastic Shredder equipment improves the utilization of plastics and reduces waste pollution. The tool speed of the equipment is slow, which is a slow knife shredding. It will not generate heat during the shredding process, will not change the nature of the shredded material, and will not bond and melt the plastic material. Shred the machine head material, or plastic waste, without degrading the originality of the material. The scrap steel shredder equipment mainly depends on the model and output required by the customer. Different models have different requirements and different prices. Wancheng Machinery, as a professional manufacturer of scrap steel shredder equipment, is well known in the scrap steel recycling market. The developed scrap steel shredder equipment has comprehensive functions and is very suitable for customers to purchase and use. What are the prices of scrap shredder equipment? Wide range of uses, suitable for shredding paint barrels, diesel barrels, cans, bicycle frames, thin iron sheets, car shells, metal briquettes, scrap steel wires, scrap iron filings, metal plate scraps, and other scrap metal materials. Easy to dismantle design, simple operation, and easy repair. Time saving, it can be recycled immediately, without waiting for centralized shredding, and it is clean and clean. Saving money, recycling in a short time, avoiding pollution, reducing labor, management, warehousing, waste of money, and purchasing materials loss. Low noise, low energy consumption, overload protection device, and power supply chain protection system. Operation and cleaning are safe.